Welcome to the Sam and Joe VA Show, where we teach women just like you how to start and scale a thriving virtual assistant business.
We're your hosts, Sam and Joe, and get ready to have the control, flexibility, and freedom you've always dreamed of.
Welcome to episode 138, Affirmations for Freelancers.
We are embracing our inner woo-woo this week, and the reason for that is for those freelancers listening who are comparing yourselves to the agency owners around you, those other virtual assistants who have got teams or are growing their teams. You feel less than, you may be feeling that you can't dream as big as they're dreaming. You might be feeling that you'll never reach the same level of success as you're seeing them reach. This episode is for you.
Yeah, it is not the be all and end all to be an agency owner. And being a freelancer in its own right is something super special and so right for many virtual assistants. And there are plenty of other ways to scale, earn more, work less without being an agency owner. So we wanted to record an episode that gives you your power back if you feel like you have lost it.
Yeah, it's time to dream big. You can reach those big financial goals. You're just doing it a different way than the agency owners are.
Mm-hmm. And if you want to dream smaller and you are happy doing what you are doing right now and it is stress-free for you, that is amazing too.
I mean, the word free is in freelancer. There's a reason for that.
Yes. I've never thought about that word, but yes, freedom, being a freelancer. Yeah, free
Yes.
from so many things.
So we have created some affirmations for the freelancer listeners amongst us. So whenever you are feeling less than and you need a reminder that you are absolutely enough, then come back to this episode and listen to our calm and dulcet tones as we take you through our affirmations of round why you are awesome.
Mhm. You kick it off, Sam. Go for it.
We need some atmosphere. So we're going to add some atmosphere, aren't we?
Yeah, we absolutely are. Atmosphere is incoming.
I'm a freelancer and proud.
The size of my business doesn't define me.
Being an agency owner, I don't want that hassle, thank you very much.
The path I have chosen is right for me right now.
I deserve success too.
My success is up to me.
My business is freaking fabulous.
Honestly, I'm killing it.
I will no longer compare myself to other VAs.
I'm here to create the business of my dreams, not the VA's next door.
I work to live, not live to work.
My ideal client prefers a freelancer.
I will stop comparing myself to others.
I'm a kick-ass freelancer and successful business owner, making positive differences in the lives of my clients.
I offer great value through a business that I love.
My freelance business is a magnet for financial abundance.
My freelancer status does not define my business success.
I choose to direct my energy to myself and my clients, not a team and their drama.
I can do what I want that feels right for me, and I don't need your opinion.
I am enough. Those feel amazing. If
Don't
you
they?
ever need to come back to this episode, pin it somewhere on your bookmarks bar so that you can come back to it, repeat them with us, and know that you are enough.
Yeah. Say them out loud. Repeat after us. And as Jo said, whenever you need to come back and remind yourself that you are enough, then come back. Come back, listen to it as often as you need until you genuinely start believing it yourself.
Mhm. And if you want some help believing that a freelancer is right for you and it is enough, and you have dreams of earning more and working less, then head on over into the Members Club. It is not just for those wanting to grow their team. We help freelancers scale in all sorts of other ways that does not involve you bringing on a team. We would love to see you there. Thanks for listening to this episode of the Sam and Jo VA Show. If you'd like to find out more, head to the VA Foundry website to check out the Members Club and the amazing resources, training, and coaching.
You can find us at thevafoundry.com.